Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have got something super helpful for all you UBA account holders out there. We are diving into how you can find your UBA account number online without breaking a sweat. So grab your device and let's get started. Don't forget, you have to watch this video till the end for all the steps. Alright, let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you have got an internet connection and your device ready. This can be your phone, tablet or computer. Step 1. UBA website login. Go ahead and open your web browser and head over to the official UBA website. If you haven't already, bookmark this page because it's super handy. Once you're there, click on the internet banking login option at the top right corner of the page. Heading to the step 2, entering cardinals. Now enter your login cardinals. That's your username and password. If you have forgotten your password, there's an easy forget password link right below that can help you reset it quickly. Step 3. Navigating to account information. Once you're logged in, you will land on your dashboard. Here's the fun part. Look for section labeled My Accounts or Account Summary. It might look a bit different depending on updates, but it's generally easy to spot. Now, step 4. Finding your account number. Click on that section. You should see a list of your accounts. Your UBA account number will be right there, usually to your account type and balance. Here is some tips and common issues. Sometimes people have trouble logging in due to security settings. Make sure your browser is up to date and try disable any ad blockers if you can't access the site. Also, if you are using the UBA mobile app, which I highly recommend it for ease of use, the process is pretty similar. Just log in, go to my account and you will find your account number listed there. Conclusion. And there you have it. Finding your UBA account number online is as easy as pie. If this helped you out, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more handy tips. If you have any questions or run into any issues, drop them in the comments below and I will be happy to help you out. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.